Hello and good afternoon, everyone. I'm coming to you with another update for TronsunV version 2. This contract is fairly new and we jumped in on day 1. Just to give you a recap, this smart contract has a 4% daily return. It has some built-in features that they're saying are anti-will items. That includes a 50% automatic reinvestment. So that means that whenever you withdraw, 50% will go back into the contract. There's a 5% insurance fee. You'll get a 300% total ROI from your investment. And there is 15% of referral bonuses on 5 levels. We'll show you how we're doing in just a moment. You can withdraw once every 24 hours, and the minimum to deposit is 200 TRX. Right now, there is 324,167.9 invested. What's been withdrawn to date is 108,581.9 TRX. There's currently 90 total investors, and there's 16,208.4 TRX of insurance in the contract. And let's see how it's doing on TronScan. Okay, so there's been 219 transactions, and there's the equivalent of 13,348.622 US dollars in the contract. And before we go over what we're going to do, let's look at the referral levels. So on the level 1, it's 5%, and we have 5 referrals. Level 2, 3%, and there's actually 3 referrals. 1 referral on level 3 and another referral on level 4. And for today, when you see the video, you'll have a new referral link, and it's from one of our good supporters. His name is Kurt. So please like and share the video and use his referral link. So as you know, people that subscribe to the YouTube channel and also participate on the Facebook page, I'm more than happy to share your referral links, no matter how many programs that you're in, as long as you're supporting the channel. So thank you, Kurt. And let's look at how we're doing so far. So our initial investment was 200 TRX. And then there was a reinvestment. So there was an additional investment of 207.38. Right now we have 154 available to withdraw and a bonus withdrawable of 93 TRX. And so what we're going to do is just do a withdrawal now and then look at the automatic reinvestment. And we're going to refresh the screen. Okay, so now it has our total investment at 484.39. And so on this investment, it was 77.01. Okay, and that's it for today. We will check back in with this video in about 2 days to see how it's going. Leave a comment. Let me know how your smart contract journey is going so that I can share your story on our Facebook page. Okay, until then, safe investing, happy investing, and remember, don't invest more than you're able to lose. Bye-bye.